गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरे। जो सतलोक ले जाएंगे वो साधु कोई और।
Once upon a time there was a saint named Bhismagiri. He used to worship Tamogun Shiv, and he staged a worship in front of Lord Shiva's gate. He stood for 12 years in a posture, head below and feet up in Shirshasana. One day Parvati prayed to Lord Shiva and said that you are the god of gods, Mahadev. What does your devotee ask? Provide him. Let him move. Him from here is seen every morning. Lord Shiva said, tell Bhasmagiri, what do you want? Bhasmagiri said, God, be committed, then I will ask. Shivji said, child, I am committed. Ask, what is your demand? Then he got up, left the feet up posture, Shirshasana, and stood upright. He said, God, give me your bracelet. Bhasmakada. Lord Shiv had a Bhasamkada which he has worn in his hand, and if he put on anyone's head and say Bhasma, then turned into ashes. Bhasmagiri knew this very well. Why did Bhasmagiri worship Lord Shiva? I will make Parvati my wife, and after getting Bhasmakada will kill Shiv. As soon as Lord Shankar took out the bracelet and gave, take this child, Lord Shiva thought that he lives in forest and is asking it to protect himself from the demons. Lord Shiva did not even know that he is your enemy, not a devotee. As soon as he got the bracelet in his hand, he said, beware Shankar, I will kill you and make Parvati my wife. When Tamogun Lord Shankar saw the change in the attitude of his devotee, then God Shiva started running with the speed of 100 kilometers per hour. He ran with speed, God was ahead, and Bhasmagiri behind. The devotee is behind, God is ahead. Made a scene. Now Almighty God came, acquiring the form of Parvati, and told him, stop Bhasmagiri, why are you running away? You are doing this for me, stop. Let me handle Shankar first, then I will stop. Bhasmagiri says, first let me kill Shankar, then I will talk to you. God in the form of Parvati said, look, you have Bhasamkada, he cannot come close to you. You come near me, sit and talk. He stopped. When he stopped, God said, show me your dance. Bhasmagiri said, I am a sage, performs austerity. I do not know how to dance. No, you will have to show me your dance. Then I will become happy. Then he started dancing. I will tell you, do like this, in this way. When the hand in which there was bracelet was above his head, raised above the head, then God said, Bhasma. Then Bhasmagiri died. Then he was called Bhasmasur, later a demon. Then acquiring the form of Vishnu, God reached where Lord Shankar was running. As an express, he went there and said, stop. Bholenath, stop, devotee, brother, stop. When he saw Vishnuji, he said, run, come, let us run. Why are you running? Bhasmagiri cheated me in such a way. God was in the form of Lord Vishnu. Complete Brahm comes and protects them. God said, see, I have killed him. Here is your Bhasmakada, hold it. He did not believe it, as Bhasmagiri had a terrible, ghastly form. How did he give a bracelet like this? Then they came back and saw where the ashes were lying. He was killed here. Then Lord Shiva's heartbeat became normal, and we consider them God. We used to read the story every day that Lord Shankar ran in front of Bhasmagiri. Had he been immortal, eternal, imperishable, he would have said, "Come, what will you do?" God Kabir was chopped into 50 pieces by that Sheikh Taki, and God stood like this in front. Many other tortures were given. God was drowned in the Ganga, but he was found standing outside. Virtuous souls, this worshipper of Tamogun was called a demon, not Bhasmagiri. He was called Bhasma Asur after that. Ravan had done penance, did devotion of this same Tamogun Lord Shankar, and kidnapped someone else's wife, that is Pratarya. It is a grave sin to kidnap a woman forcibly. She was the wife of the elder brother of Lord Shiva, that is the wife of Vishnu, who is like a mother, and the worshipper of Shiva kidnapped Sita. He did blunder, was called a demon, he died a dog's death. Hiranyakashyap was the worshipper of Rajogun Brahma. What crime did he commit? He became the enemy of his son, was called a demon. And how did his end happen? Now Vaishnavas are the worshippers of Vishnuji. Satogun are called Vaishnavas. Once there was a Kumbh fair organized in Haridwar. All of them used to go for a bath at the festival of Kumbh. Giri, Puri, Naga, Vaishno, they all go there separately in different groups and get together. Giri separate, Puri separate, monks separate, Naga separate, and Vaishnava separate. At the time of taking bath, all follow their respective chief. The same happened. First of all, Nagas, who remain completely nude, were thousands in number. They reached Har Ki Paudi in Haridwar, and everyone took position for taking bath. The whole group of Vaishnava sages came in many thousands. They started saying, Nagas, we are superior, you take a bath later. Naga said, no, we are the best. We are renouncers and recluses. We do not even carry any clothes with us. We roam around free from desires. We are the best. We will take a bath first. Vaishnava monks started saying that you roam naked like animals, do not even wash your hands after toilet. Sirdo firdo, come outside, we will take a bath first. Today you have become the first bather. The point is, they even forgot the Ganga, also forgot God. They started fighting, took out the arrow, took out sword. They slaughtered each other. 25,000 of these Triguna worshippers were chopped and died there. So whose karmas are these? Equipped with demonic nature, lowest among men, evildoers, foolish people. Was Ganga water getting dirty? They could have taken a bath after 2 minutes. Should have said, take bath, no issues, we are waiting. The character of these men is even lower than a common man. If you have gone to take bath in the Ganges, when we wasted our time, even we used to go there. If somebody came and said, shall I take a bath? Sure, come, and we used to give him a place. Come, you also take a bath. The behavior of a common man is also good from them, and we call them saints and take initiation from them, expecting salvation. God has told about them in Sukshma Ved.
तीर तुपक तलवार कटारी जम धड़ जोर बधावे हैं, और हर पैड़ी हर हेथ ना जाना, वहां जा तेग चलावे, और काटे शीस नहीं दिल करुणा ये जग में साध को आवे हैं, और जो जन इनके दर्शन को जावे उनको भी नरक पठावे।
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।